we'll show a new funny prank compilation. Trust us, your friends will appreciate your sense of humor. Does your friend like painting with bright colors? Let's play a little trick. Make a palette that turns paints pale. Work on our palette. Paint the palette sections with white gouache. It's invisible on the snow white palette, and your friend won't feel there's anything wrong until she mixes paint on it. Any color she tries to put on the palette will immediately turn pale. She examines the palette but can't notice anything. She tries to touch it with her finger and gets the same result. And only when she touches it with a wet brush, she notices white paint. Do you always have a clean handkerchief? Anything might happen, like it did in our prank. Mix gelatin with sugar. Pour in hot water. See the instructions of how to make the jelly on the gelatin package. Add green food coloring. Stir well. If it's not enough, add more. Add a bit of white coloring to get a natural shade. When the jelly cools a little, pour it on a thick handkerchief. Ugh, ghastly! Fold the fabric. Put it in the fridge to cool better. Now wait for the right moment. Achoo! Bless you! It's time. Offer your friend a handkerchief. She takes it and tries to unfold. Oh, poor girl! I wish you could see her face at the moment. I think my reaction would be the same. Actually, the jelly is sweet and edible, but no one would want to eat the stuff. What should I call the slime in a glue stick container? A glue slime stick? Spray shaving cream into a bowl. Pour in clear glue. Mix it up. Add Persil Color Gel laundry detergent. Stir again. We've got soft and elastic white slime. It stretches perfectly and doesn't stick to your hands. Tear off a piece and tuck it into a glue stick container. My friend needs some glue. She takes my glue stick, but there's a sticky substance instead of glue inside. It can hardly attach anything, but you'll definitely enjoy playing with it. A bottomless envelope? It's a great school prank idea. Cut off the bottom of a plastic envelope across the very edge. Then, the sides will be put close to each other and no one will notice the hole in the bottom. My friend needs an empty envelope. I give her my special one. She carefully puts in all of her papers, snaps it, and oops! All of her papers fell on the desk. This envelope can be used only as a cap. Let's see what there is in her makeup bag. Wow! A silicone sponge. Let's substitute it with a fake one. It's incredible! You can't tell at first glance that it's an imitation. It's flexible and a bit stretchy, of the same color and texture. Place the silicone sponge in a bowl. Mark the size. Make jelly. Pour hot water in a bowl with gelatin. Follow the instructions on the package. Add blue coloring and mix. Put it in the fridge to harden. Transfer the thick jelly onto a plate. Cut it out, tracing the silicone sponge. Remove the excess. Smooth the edges with a knife. Your friend is going to correct her makeup. She takes out her favorite sponge. What's wrong? It's sticky and strange. She understands whose trick it is, but she'll hardly guess the sponge is edible. I know her weak points as well. I'll place a spider where she least expects to see it. Use a black marker to draw a spider on a roll of toilet paper. The more realistic it looks, the more effective the result will be. Replace the toilet paper roll. Okay, let's listen. She's seen it! I'd better run away. Can you remove your makeup with nail polish remover? You can in this prank, but your friend doesn't know about it yet. Clean the nail polish remover bottle. Pour in makeup remover. While she's busy painting her nails, change out her nail polish remover for your special one. Ask your friend to give it to you. She can't refuse. Dip a cotton pad and start removing your makeup. Oh, poor girl. She stares at me and forgets about her nails, so she paints her finger. She smells the cotton pad. There's certainly no scent of the nail polish remover. Then she tries to remove the nail polish, obviously in vain. What about a chocolate cake? Don't hurry to agree. This cake has a weird taste. Take a piece of hard cheese. Melt chocolate to make a glaze. Put a cup with chocolate pieces into a bowl of water. Put it into a microwave. When the chocolate melts, pour it over the cheese to cover it completely. How sweet! Decorate it with bright sprinkles. Put it in the fridge to cool. Treat your friend with the cake. Cut it to see an unusual filling. Bite first for her to see it is edible. However, the taste is weird. You'd better make a sandwich. If your friend's hungry, treat her with a special egg. There's jelly inside. Can you imagine? Prick both ends of an eggshell with an awl. Use a wooden skewer to stir the inside for removing it easily. Blow it out through the smaller hole. Pour hot water in red jelly powder. Mix well. Tape the smaller hole. Fill the egg with the liquid jelly using a syringe. Put it in a fridge. When cool, remove the tape. My friend expects me to prank her back. That's why she scrutinizes the egg, tapping the shell. But it looks quite normal. She starts to peel it. Oops! What's wrong with the egg? It looks like a baby dragon is going to hatch. Do you like the sensation of remarkable tastes? This exotic taste will be seen clearly. Open a pack of chewy candies. Make a small cut in one. Add dry food coloring inside. Press it to shut the hole. Wrap the candy. Put it back into the pack. My friend adores chewy candies. They melt on her tongue, coloring it blue. A colored tongue is the new trend of the season. What's wrong with your teeth? Nothing. It's just a prank. We'll need adhesive color paper or regular color paper and double-sided tape. Cut out a pink strip and a small black detail. Cover your tooth with the black element. Look, I've lost my tooth because of your candy prank. Isn't it funny? Ha! Look at what you've done with your pranks. I've got a shiny pink smile. Does your friend like talking too much? Prank her with a glue stick and lip balm and make her listen to you. Take a glue stick and lip balm. Remove the balm from the tube. Take out the glue stick from the container. Cut off the excess. Put the glue into the lip balm tube. Clean the container from the glue left over. Put the balm in it. My friend takes the lip balm tube. I try to stop her, but she doesn't listen. And as the result, her lips have been glued. Now, she'll have to stop talking for a while. That will be a lesson for her. Next time, she'll listen to what I say. And I get the glue stick and apply it on my lips. My friend wants to paint with my watercolor. Let's see how she'll manage it. Apply a clear nail coat onto the paint. The brand new watercolor has a glossy surface. It's usually enough to touch it with a wet brush to paint. But this glossy coat seems to be a kind of protective cover. Forget it! I'll give you another paint palette. In the meantime, I'll take care of her cup to rinse a brush. Take a cup for water and a plastic cup. Apply hot glue across the edge. Attach it to the top. Pour water into the cup. Put on the top with the cup. A brush will keep dry if you put it in. What's wrong? The cup is full of water, but I can't get my brush wet. It's definitely not the right day for painting. Write in your comments which prank has been the funniest. Be sure to give your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to prank your friends before they prank you.